Hello everyone, welcome back to Stay Tuned, a voiceover series initiated by We Got Guru, a music school in Bangalore that provides online music classes with a panel of 45 plus seasoned and certified tutors. I'm Anurupa, your host for this episode, and in today's segment, we are going to talk about the Raghu Dixit project. Founded by Raghu Dixit, the Raghu Dixit project is an open house for musicians and artists of different genres to come together, work together and create dynamic sound and expression. He is best known for his singing. Raghupati Dixit is better known today as a self-taught guitarist, singer-songwriter, composer, musician and mostly from Mysore settled in Bengaluru, and also has been the founder of his band the Raghu Dixit project, where he himself has performed over 250 concerts across India. Raghu's music is a perfect blend of Indian ethnic music and styles from different parts of the world. His lyrics, although intense, are simple and speak of the emotions and experiences of every commoner, which makes his songs unique to fans. Raghu's singing style can be described as uniquely at its finest, with traditional and Sufi phrases of the Indian ethnicity frequently acknowledged with reverence. His songs Mysore Se Aayi, Mumbai, Antaragini, He Bhagwan Har Saas Mein, Gudu Gudiya, and many more are among theirs very popular with fans. Raghu has also produced music for contemporary dance and theatre productions. He has composed and made music for shows of one of India's most leading modern dance groups, Nitya Rutya. During May in 2008, Raghu joined Springboard Surprises Roots Festival during several shows and voyaged many cities in Northeast India with international acts such as the Israeli DUBLFO and England's Too Late Lucy. Raghu Dixit also produces music for feature films. The majority of his songs are influenced by Shishunala Sharif (1819 to 1889), a holy poet, philosopher and a social reformer from the Indian state of Karnataka. Kannada films industry debut Psycho as a music director is a musical success in 2008 by Raghu Dixit himself. He also composed and sang a song in Bollywood film Quick Gun Murugan. The audience loved the tone of the Kannada movie Just Mat Matali. He also has played in many shows worldwide including the UK, Korea, Japan, Russia, Hong Kong and India. He has also performed in the Parappana Agrahara Central Jail in Bengaluru city. He also served at the SAMA Festival Northeast England project organized by GEMARTS, and the Sage Gate Shed is a part of the 6-day community project with folk musicians from Rajasthan and folk musicians from Northumbria from Great Britain. In 2007, he played on the French Kiss Tour on World Music Day. The Raghu Dixit project has performed with 3 distinguished French musicians, Anais, Emily Loiseau, Mademoiselle, and also served on the eve of Miditha, a cultural festival at the prestigious Indian Institute of Sciences. That's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Drop in a like and let us know in the comment section what you'd like us to talk about in the next episode. Do share this video as well, because sharing is caring, and also subscribe so you'll always stay tuned with us and will never miss out on any episode. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay safe and take care.